All right, we have 4 cans of corn drained. Now I'm coming in with some Colby Jack cheese. We're gonna use this whole bag of cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. The Colby Jack just goes perfectly with this dish. Yummy. Now I have here some sliced jalapenos. We're using 2 jalapenos sliced up. Ooh, this is gonna add just the best heat. Now, if you're worried about it being too hot, you can skip the jalapenos. You can do some green chilies, whatever you want. But we like things hot in this kitchen. Okay, beautiful. Now I have here some cream cheese that we're just gonna place right onto our dish. We're gonna add 1 more block of cream cheese. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Now this is the perfect game day dip. We're gonna add some sour cream here right in between those cream cheeses. We just need about 16 ounces, which is this full container of sour cream. Now, if you wanted this to be a little lighter, a little healthier, you could do the light sour cream and then the less fat cream cheese. But it's game day, and calories on game day do not count in my house. Okay, let's go ahead and get all of that delicious cream cheese in there. We don't need to mix anything. That's the best part about this dip. Now we're coming in with some par cooked bacon, and we are just gonna cut that bacon right into our pan. This is gonna be so delicious and add the most delicious, salty, bacony flavor to our corn dip. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look amazing?
Wow, as soon as you started cutting that bacon, I was like, yup, I'm in.
Yeah, and this is 1 whole package of bacon that we're gonna cut right into our dish. Oh my goodness. Now you could just buy the little bacon bits and throw them in there. That would be just as good, but you guys know the fresh bacon is always better.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Yeah. Also, you just get so easy to just cut up. It's like, come on, it's barely any extra work. Might as well go for it. Okay, we're almost done here. Just get all of that bacon nice and chopped up. Okay.
We need some more bacon up front. There you go.
There we go. All right, now we are gonna go in with our lime, and I'm gonna grab my juicer real quick because we want those lime juices in there. Ooh, oh my goodness.
Oh no, lime down.
That's okay. Okay, we're gonna put our lime upside down, and we are gonna squeeze all of that juice right on top of our dish. Oh, make sure you use all that muscle so we get lots of juices in there. Oh my goodness, it's just gonna add the best flavor. Yum.
Wait, babe, didn't you do that backwards?
Nope, this is how you're supposed to do it. See, that's what it's supposed to look like. All right, let's get our sour cream lime in there too. Squeeze all of that juice. Ooh, that was a juicy lime. Yummy. Now we're almost done. We're gonna add 1 more thing, and that is some cilantro. Now I know cilantro is not everyone's favorite. It tastes funny to some people. It tastes great to me and my family, so we always add cilantro to this dip. It's just the best little zing flavor to our dip. Oh my goodness. Okay, just get as much as you want in there. I did wash the cilantro, so you don't have to worry about that. We're just gonna get a nice little pop of color on there.
This looks beautiful, babe.
It smells amazing too with that lime juice, the bacon. I mean, what's not to like? All that delicious corn on the bottom. Okay, perfect. Now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for like 30 minutes. Oh, you guys, look at that. Can you hear it sizzle?
No.
All right, you guys, before we mix this up, I am gonna add my queso fresco in there, 1 whole package, and I already cut it up in there. Beautiful. This is gonna be so good. Okay, time to mix all of these heavenly flavors together. Oh my gosh, everything melted so perfectly. Get all that corn folded in. Oh, the jalapenos, the bacon. Look at that. We gotta make sure to get those corn juices nicely mixed in. Do you hear it sizzle now? Come on.
I hear it sizzle now, yeah.
Oh, yeah. And that queso fresco is just gonna add the perfect touch. Get the cilantro, the Colby Jack. Oh my goodness, talk about corn dip. We all know there's only one chip that's good enough for this dip?
We all know.
You know?
Yeah, I know.
Fritos scoops.
That's what I wasn't really thinking Fritos, but
What were you thinking?
the scoops, the other ones.
You're insane. Okay, let's go ahead and scoop in. Oh, that looks so good.
It does. What do you think?
That is so good.